children, learners, students and friends. It is me Suresh Bharadwaj, ex-KGT English Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, worked at JNV Nawada Bihar, JNV Balia and JNV Azamgarh. I am with active passive voice. How to change a sentence in active voice into passive voice, let us learn. Okay, today's topic that is past perfect continuous tense. A sentence or structure in past continuous tense to be changed into passive voice. How? The generalization of this tense, okay, voice change has been given here. Had been verb ing. Had been verb ing. Okay, to be changed into, to be replaced by had been being verb third form. यह जनरलाइजेशन है इस टेंस का पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करने के लिए। इसका तो चेंज नहीं होता है, लेकिन जब कभी आपको आवश्यकता हो तो इस पैटर्न पर आप चेंज कर सकते हैं। और डिटेल स्टडी के लिए आप कोबिल्ड इंग्लिश ग्रामर रूपा कंपनी को देखा जा सकता है और माइकल स्वान प्रैक्टिकल इंग्लिश ग्रामर को देखा जा सकता है, उनकी बुक है, पढ़िए। So action taking place in the past, that is partly perfect action, partly into continuation. Okay, action of the past. Example here, the farmers had been reaping the crops since long. बहुत देर से किसान फसल काट रहे थे। फसल काट रहे थे। समय, since long. पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बहुत समय से, देर से किसान फसल काट रहे थे। क्रॉप्स, क्रॉप्स ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है, द फार्मर्स सब्जेक्ट है, ये डोमिनेंट है, हेड वर्ड है, प्रिंसिपल वर्ड है। मच मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट फार्मर्स, ओके, एम्फेसिस ऑन फार्मर्स। लेकिन अब हमको ऑब्जेक्ट लेकर के, इसको फोकस करके, इसको डोमिनेंट बना करके, हेड वर्ड करके हम सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर करेंगे, ये साथ में लगाएंगे। द क्रॉप्स had been being, the crops had been being reaped. ओके, एजेंट एक्शन कौन, एक्शन डूअर कौन है, फार्मर। बाय द फार्मर्स सिंस long. ओके, likely other sentence, mother had been cooking the food as for many years. माता जी बहुत दिनों, बहुत वर्षों से भोजन पका रही थी। माता जी बहुत दिनों से भोजन पका रही थी, एक्टिव वॉइस में है। इसको पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे। आपका द फूड, ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है, ले लिया। द फूड had been being cooked by mother for many years. Okay, इस तरह से हम इसका प्रयोग करके had been being verb third form, had been being verb third form, ओके, प्रयोग करके हम पैसिव में, पैसिव स्ट्रक्चर, पैसिव वॉइस लिखेंगे, बनाएंगे, सीखेंगे। कुछ उदाहरण यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस के, डायरेक्टली लिख दिया गया है। The students had been being taught by me since dawn. Dawn means भोर, दिन सहारा, प्रातः काल, बिल्कुल भोर से ही। पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, भोर से ही। The students had been being taught by me. Students, विद्यार्थी, भोर से ही मेरे द्वारा पढ़ाए जा रहे थे। Had been being taught, ये आपका पैसिव फॉर्म है। Had been being taught. The truth had been being spoken by M.K. Gandhi, मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी since childhood. बचपन से ही महात्मा गांधी द्वारा सत्य बोला जा रहा था, सत्य बोला जा रहा था। had been being spoken, सत्य कहा जा रहा था। पैसिव फॉर्म में है। The truth had been being spoken by Mahatma Gandhi since childhood. Okay, had been being पैसिव फॉर्म में। नेगेटिव सेंटेंस okay, here negative sentence here, not to be used just before being. The crops had not been reaped since along. Like the other sentence, had the food not being cooked by mother for years. क्या माता द्वारा क्यों भोजन बाय मदर फॉर इयर्स, वर्षों से माता द्वारा, तो क्या क्यों या क्या भोजन वर्षों से माता द्वारा नहीं पकाया जा रहा था। had the food not being cooked by mother for years. Negative sentence, as well as here you see had, okay, followed by not, so interrogative negative to get yes no response, for yes no response. You may structure so many other sentences on this pattern. And to know object, what, how for method, where for place, who for person, why for reason. Okay, you may use and sub sentences, okay, on the basis of the above sentences written above. What had been being reaped, क्या काटा जा रहा था। What had been being reaped by the farmers since along. How had the students been being taught, बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को, विद्यार्थियों को क्यों पढ़ाया जा रहा था। ओके, सिंस dawn, जो भी हो। Where had the crops been reaped, फसल कहाँ काटी जा रही थी। Who had been being taught, किनको पढ़ाया जा रहा था। Why had the truth been spoken, क्यों सत्य बोला जा रहा था, क्यों सत्य कहा जा रहा था। So likely so many other sentences, you may structure so many other sentences on this pattern, and to know, if you wanted to know point of time, since when, use since when or since how long, to know point of time. Okay, definite time, pakka time. If you want to know point of time, since when or since how long, you may use. And if you want to know period of time, okay, duration of time, okay, expansion of time, if you want to know, then you may use for how long. Example has been written here. Since how long, since when, yeah, for how long had you been being taught. आप कब से आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा था, कब से आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा था। If the speaker wants to know point of time, then describe point of time while answering this question. If the speaker wants to know period of time, to describe and use. Likely so many other sentences on this system, on this pattern, you may frame. Okay dear, try to watch full video, do like, share and subscribe. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.